On top with tori for today, Presido Buhari don salute the ogbonge work wey Bill Gates and Aliko Dangote dey do for the world. Presido Buhari don salute the work wey Aliko Dangote Foundation and Bills and Melinda Gates Foundation dey do for the people wey dey the world, and the ogbonge contribute matter wey Aliko Dangote Foundation dey put for Naija debe. When Presido meet with the two of them for August 74 for New York, e tell dem say dem don change many pipo life well as e salute dem on top how dem don waka far for their life matter. Presido tok say e wan praise dem, say make dem dey enjoy as dem dey help pipo, as dem dey give part of their money to help the pipo for different matter. Buhari come tok say for agricultural matter deve for Nigeria, Dangote don turn dat big investment matter as farmers dem dey happy well for Nigeria, as fertilizer don dey ground and money don reduce, and dem don still help dem with better things wey dey make the farm matter dey easy. Bill Gates come salute Presido Buhari on top im cabinet as e tok say im happy say Buhari administration e dey sit down on top health, human capital deve, education and food matter. E tok say Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation with Aliko Dangote Foundation dey work well as dem dey do better check on top how Naija don waka reach on top sustainable development goals, the one wey UN don explain, and dem happy well say pikin death for Nigeria e don go down. Gates tok say all the local government area don get better health and education matter pass the way dem take be for year 2000. E tok say na Naija na im dey their mind for Africa, and na there their body dey to put better work, as e be say na only India na im dem bin dey do plenty work put before. E come tok say on top polio matter, say Nigeria don reach ogbonge level, as e be say polio never dey for 3 years as dem mark dat one for August, and say the remaining 6 months make the year take finish, e no go easy, but dem sabi say the country e go free from polio matter kpatakpata. Aliko Dangote come salute Naija military for the work wey dem do to see say dem give vaccine for the war theatres wey dey when dem dey fight all this insurgency katakata, as this one e help catapult the number of the people wey no get polio for the world. Na here we see the better informate reach on top with tori for today, as Presido Buhari don salute the work wey Aliko Dangote and Bill Gates dey do for the people wey dey the world unto how their life go turn out well, and e tell dem this one when e meet dem for August 74 for one of the meetings wey e get plan to get with dem. Make una no forget say dis ogbonge informate so na on top with tori for today for T Live Media. To continue to dey get dis ogbonge informate on top wetin dey shele, make una no forget to like, comment and subscribe for we YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Una fit still follow us waka enter with social media platforms for Twitter, Instagram and Facebook for T Live Media. And our website sit down gidigba put for www.tlivemedia.com to get ogbonge tori as e dey shele for the country.